Hey everybody, Jeffrey here with Max Height Web Solutions. And if you're ready to install Thrive themes on your WordPress website, then let's jump right in and I'll walk you through it. So you should already have created an account with Thrive Themes and have paid for your membership. Then you would log in. You would then go to your member dashboard. This is where you access all your products. And the first thing you're going to do is download the Thrive Product Manager plugin. So you click here and you choose your download area on your computer, and you're going to save that file to your computer. Once that has downloaded to your computer, you're going to go back to your WordPress admin dashboard. On your WordPress admin dashboard, you're going to go to Plugins, Add New. Click this button up here. Then you're going to click Upload Plugin. You click that. You're going to click Choose File on your computer, and it takes you to your computer. You're going to navigate to the download section where you downloaded that file to, and you're going to search for the Thrive Product Manager that you downloaded. Click on that and say Open, and then click Install Now. This will install the Thrive Themes Product Manager. You're going to activate the plugin. Once the plugin is activated, you will see it in your plugin index that you have Thrive Product Manager. Now you can look on your WordPress admin menu all the way at the bottom or near the bottom. You have a new item, Product Manager. So you click on that, and this will take you to the Log into My Account page. So you have to connect your WordPress website to your Thrive account in order to be able to get updates and download all of the suite of plugins and themes that Thrive has for you. So log into my account, we click there. Success, it has logged in. If you're using the same email address, it may ask you for your login credentials from within WordPress. Your login credentials for Thrive Themes, for your Thrive Themes account. So just put that in. For me, it knew the connection, so I'm automatically connected. So here are all my Thrive Theme products I have access to because of my membership account that I've paid for. I've paid for a full membership account with Thrive Themes, and I have access to all of their products. And it's an easy install. I just tick off whatever I want. The minimum that you want to build this website is Thrive Architect. You definitely want to tick that off. And under Thrive Theme Builder theme is the Shapeshift theme. This is what's going to allow you to customize the theme of your WordPress website. The Architect plugin up here is what's going to allow you to edit the content within your website. Now, if you've watched my other video about the difference between editing a theme in WordPress and editing your content in WordPress, then you understand the difference between these two. If you don't, I suggest you go back and look at that video, and I'll put a link to that in the description of this video. So we have Thrive Architect selected, and we have the Shapeshift Thrive Themes Builder theme selected, and then we're going to go install and license attached products. We click that button, and it's going to automatically upload and install and activate those products. All right, so it says success. Looks like we're all set. We've got ready to use on the Thrive Architect, the Theme Builder, and the Shapeshift Theme Builder theme. So we click this blue button at the bottom, and it's going to take us right into our Theme Builder dashboard. Now, if you watch my previous video about just the overview of the Thrive Theme Builder wizard, then you have a basic understanding of, or overview of what the Theme Builder does and what these tabs do. Well, congratulations. You've got Thrive themes installed on your WordPress website. Feel free to explore on your own, or you can check out one of my videos about the Thrive Theme Builder Startup Wizard. I have a video doing an overview of each of the tabs in the Startup Wizard. I also have a video doing a deep dive, a detailed dive into each of the Startup Wizard tabs. Once again, congratulations for installing Thrive themes on your WordPress website. Have fun with it, learn, discover, and start building out your website. Until my next video, this is Jeffrey with MaxSite Web Solutions, wishing you great success with all your online business pursuits. Onward and upward.